It's like you like long hair.
I do, of course.
It's obvious. You know I'm an artist. I have 2 singles, but they are not out yet.
Really?
Yeah, once they come out, I know I'll pick up. Wow. It's like you're into music as well. You like music?
I do, obviously. Everyone does.
Who is your favorite artist in Nigeria?
Falz.
Falz the bad guy.
Yes, of
Falz
course.
the bad guy.
Yes, Falz.
Guess what?
What?
Me and Falz, like this.
You and
Like
Falz.
twins, like this. His manager is my good friend. In short, we even chatted this morning.
Really?
Yes, now.
Mado!
It's like you would like to be a vixen. Are you a vixen?
Yes, of course. I am.
You want to feature in a video?
See, I love Falz. As long as it's Falz, I love Falz. I'm a big fan of Falz. Like, I'm crazy over him.
Guess what?
What?
I will make you feature in this video.
Wait. You must be kidding me.
I say I will make sure you feature in Falz's video.
Oh my God, like, I just want that. Like, if you can just make it possible, I want that.
It's a small thing for me to handle. You know that song, Bob Daddy? Bob Daddy?
Yes, now.
We planned the video. Whoa. His manager and me. Yes.
This is mad.
That color they wore, that pink. I say no. It was white. I said don't wear white. Wear pink. Pink is more lovely.
Oh my God,
yes.
Like seriously.
Yes. I will make sure you feature in the video.
Oh my God. Hey, I just want to be in it.
It's a small thing. But Shebi, you give me your Instagram handle.
Yes, now. Of course. As long as it's Falz.
Wait. If I follow you, you follow me back.
So long as it's Falz. Hey.
If I DM you, you DM me back.
So long as it is Falz.
Wait.
No,
if I say your number now, you give me your number.
Teddy. As long as it is Falz, I'm
you
down.
must dance in Falz's video.
I am ready to showcase all my talents.
He knows Falz.
God of mercy.
Wait,
is it Falz or false?
Falz, not Falz, Falz. And he even said he suggested that video, a particular costume for this thing.
See, Teddy is supposed to be Lionel Sumba.
No. See,
Lion! Teddy is a lion, not liar, lion!
Look, for every customer that steps into this place, Teddy has something to tell the person. He is either a footballer, an artist, or maybe he knows one celebrity or the other. That he is connected to all these people.
See, Teddy Hellfire. I'm sure oil company will sponsor
beyond the Hellfire.
Oil company will sponsor Teddy's Hellfire. Now, what I'll do now, you know what? Stand up. Let me look at you. Just let me watch you.
Okay, no problem.
Please, untie her first. Let me watch her.
Why you untie me? This is Hey, God.
Good. Now turn. Turn around.
Just take a good look at
Turn.
me. Like, I just want to
see. It's okay. It's okay. In the video that will shoot now, you'll be the one on top of the Lamborghini with Falz. You stand up. Turn. You'll be the one. Those that will serve food when their Falz enter a restaurant in the video. It's okay. Falz is my man. The manager is my man. He's sorted. I have your number now. I'll keep in touch.
Please keep me posted.
Don't worry.
If you don't,
worry.
Teddy, if you don't,
I say I will keep in touch.
Teddy, you must keep me posted.
You are in the video.
You are in the video. Hey, one
minute. Yes.
It be like say I hear you when they tell those girls to just come up.
Yes.
Say Falz na your guy.
Of course.
Falz na your guy.
His manager is my guy.
Wait. You know say get one idiot wey dey live for 2 streets away from here.
Yes.
Wey mama dey sell coconut wey dey call himself Falz. No be that one I dey talk.
I say the real Falz the bad guy. His manager is my guy. Then Falz too is my guy. We are all bad guys.
Falz the bad guy wey dey sing na your friend.
Yes, we are all bad guys. Is it not the Bob Daddy?
Falz na your friend.
I say we are all bad guys.
Hey!
We are all bad guys now.
Falz the bad guy na your friend.
For Larry.
Hey! I talk her. When I wake up today, my spirit tell me say today na good day. Falz na your guy.
This is my guy.
Just
We're like
You don't
this.
like me when I dey angry. You don't wait.
We're like this.
You are Falz.
And it's, in short, the manager is my friend in high school.
Hey, my guy.
Do you know that in school they call us the bad guys? Because in school we're very stubborn. The three of us, the bad guys.
You know why they happy like
Why,
this?
boss?
My babe. My real babe.
Yes.
Hey! She fit die because of Falz.
Really?
She don dey beg me. Say as her birthday dey approach.
Yes.
Say the only thing I fit do for am be say make she meet Falz the bad guy.
Oh,
you know why?
Yes.
Because me sef, I dey lie o. I dey lie.
You lie for the girl.
I dey lie. Na lie sustain me. I go inside lie.
Oh.
See, I don lie give am say me and Falz the bad guy say we be neighbor before for the same house before he hammer. Cause as God
You can lie, yo.
Thank God tell you when we were there, all those Falz the
You
bad
can
guy.
lie.
All of us can be bad guys.
Let me just tell you.
You're all bad
They
guys.
check people mood. They check mood.
Yeah.
Check mood.
In the group. In short, see what we'll do. I'll help you.
Hey,
I like seeing you. I know that you're a good guy.
I'll be good guy.
Good. Now, Falz is coming for an appearance in a club down the road.
Okay.
But before then, he will come here for celebrity haircut. I will cut him myself.
No lie.
I say I will barber him.
Falz go call me salon.
I'm his barber.
Falz the bad guy go call me
I'm
salon.
his barber.
The same place where they cut my hair.
The manager confirmed to me that he will come and barb here.
Now you go barber.
Me like this.
Hey.
But
My guy, you be celebrity. Oh, we don't know. You be celebrity.
I like to keep my life low.
You be celebrity.
I like to live low so that people cannot attack me or rob me. I like to stay low.
That one good.
And I'm humble.
Sense.
So now,
Get sense.
now, it's not free. Normally to see Falz for picture is like 50K. But because it's you, bring 10,000. Make it 10. I will help you. Because you have lied, I'll help you patch up your lie.
Lie. See, as you pity me, so God will pity you.
Amen.
Pity no go come up for your life.
Amen.
Hi, wetin be
Amen.
this guy no
Just be fast before
wetin be 10,000.
the amount will
I
go
don't
up.
need to go house come back.
Good.
Count this money. I sure.
With the way you are honest, I know that this money is complete.
Hey, God will
I
bless
trust you.
God will bless you.
No need to count it.
So Falz.
Bad guy.
So as per my babe now, so where be the venue?
Tomorrow, the venue is here first for the haircut, for the celebrity, then we'll move to the club.
If you see, if I thought I don't call this again, you beat me.
I tire.
You beat me. I talk of Falz, they tell me of my hair. Inside my hair and Falz, who they put and pass?
Calm down. It's sorted, sir. It's sorted.
Come on, do what you call this life, come see that.
Relax.
Yes,
I'm chatting with the manager.
you see no Falz.
He will come.
Let me.
When you do
I just want to help you adjust. Okay.
We are chatting. He will come.
it. Inside me and you go adjust each other. Guys, see. Well,
Sorry.
you don't know who I be.
Daddy. We saw what just happened.
What did you see?
What just happened?
What just happened?
And I don't the best way I would describe this thing is you just scammed someone. How do you hope to pull off this thing now?
You see this life. First of all, you people look down on me too much in this salon. But it's not your fault.
But that wasn't real from you now.
Because
you know fast.
I am on your level now. We are colleagues in the office. We are now mates. You people don't even know what I am capable of.
What are you capable
Do
of?
you know if I know Falz?
You don't know Falz.
Do you know
Falz?
if Falz's manager is my friend?
He's not your friend. Stop lying.
Do you know if we have any connection as friends? You don't know. Anyway, because of what you guys did for me, you guys let the business fly. I'll be nice. You were close to me. There was a time you wanted to laugh. When I was telling that guy that I know Falz, but you didn't laugh. This is for you. For being matured. You, when I was talking to the man, you were calm. I love your calmness. Take for your calmness.
So where will you bring Falz from now?
Mr. Jude was here. I could hear him murmuring, saying that, oh, thank God that the man did not hear Mr. Jude. For that, this money cannot get to him.
See, but let me ask one question.
Ask me.
How do you want to pull off this thing? How do you want to achieve it?
I am chatting with Falz's manager on Instagram.
But it's a lie now.
He promised me that tomorrow Falz will come here.
Hi.
Tomorrow is coming here. And you guys will know that I know Falz.
See,
You guys should calm
fine,
down.
fine, accept it. But look, if he comes back here demanding for Falz or demanding for anybody that is related to Falz, look, I've never been, I don't even know who.
Hello.
Pretend
I
like I
said
don't
I
know.
am chatting with Falz's manager. He has answered me. Tomorrow Falz will come here.
Okay.
Who knows? I'll make more money. And tomorrow I'm not giving anybody anything, no.
I've said my
I'm just nice today.
I've said my own.
I was trying not be around when you
I've said my own.
scatter.
Guys, you people can stay and work. I want to go and eat. Because where man they work and where they shop. You hear me?
Enjoy
Wait,
yourself.
want to go and eat?
Chop.
Okay, let's go together.
No, sit down. Clap here.
No, let me follow
I
you.
said clap here. Falz is not coming. Clap here. I beg you. See, try his numbers.
Hey, see my people there. Falz never come. Who have been to face?
Answer now. You people should answer now. Answer him.
Where is the Falz? Why do you like embarrassing me? Eh? How do you? I thought this was a prank. I knew this was nothing. Really. After dressing up like this, doing my makeup and everything, you brought me here to embarrass me. How will you believe that Falz will be in this place? Eh?
No.
Eh? What do you want to say? Seal it. Nonsense.
Hey.
Hello, sir. See, let me tell you about myself, sir. Sir, I am chief accountant, and I'm the past president of ICANN 2002. Sir, I don't work here. I just came to cut my hair, sir. See, my wife is outside. He's waiting for me.
You dey work for here?
No,
You be
sir.
friend of the salon.
No, I came to cut my
Then
hair.
I come here, call the blow gossip.
And I'm not.
They like, hey!
Sir.
Dragon!
Dragon!
Yeah, no reach you born. Dragon, you no need petrol to burn this guy.
Wait.
Ah, Teddy.
Sir,
Teddy.
did you say dragon? That broke out of jail 5 times.
Now maybe that dragon wey dey vomit fire.
Hey!
That dragon wey pour fire for people body dem die. See,
It's a dragon that beat up 50 people.
see, na lie dey lie una. I no break out of jail 9 times. I broke out of jail 52 times. Me!
Sir, calm down. Sir, calm down. Sir, calm down.
15 people.
Calm down, sir.
Dem no rumor say I beat 15 people. The 15 people say I no even touch them. I just dem fall dey die. Dragon.
Sir, we were not part of this. I was not part of this.
Dragon.
I see. I don't work here.
Dragon. Person collect money for your hand.
Sir, I did not, I wasn't there.
Shut up! But I bring these people down.
I was not a part of it.
How for me fire? See wetin I dey talk. You good for this guy to get patient. My girlfriend just vex comot. My guy never come now with Falz.
Yes.
My girlfriend too dey misbehave. She don vex.
Yes.
My guy where Falz? Evening, sir. Welcome. Where Falz?
Sir. He didn't make it.
Wetin happen? Wetin happen?
Hey, God.
Anyone? You see that her? I'll turn love na to her. Una know as her be. Dem wanna maintain. Say Falz no make her, he dey sick.
So you know that when I say I will bring him, I was chatting with his manager on my Instagram DM. He will chat me, I will chat him. He will buzz me, I will buzz him. And I pay him the money that he gave me to pay for Falz to come for the court and the appearance. He now collect it. We are chatting, sir.
Okay.
Suddenly, sir, when it's time to now tell me where I will go and pick them up, sir, and I don't want to go and buzz him again.
Okay.
But the account on IG, sir, it has been deleted, sir. It has been deleted. But sir, if you can give me time, I will find Falz. It's not Falz again.
See that her. Which of 3 of them talk to? If I hear that her again, I'll turn her to her. Now once as her be. But now you tell me all of Nana bad guys.
No, sir. What I mean, guys, the bad guys, They are the bad guys in music. I'm a bad guy, Baba. Yes, sir. You didn't hear me well. Falz the bad guys. There are two. I'm just one bad guy as a Baba.
I know you well. You know, say Kotiwu dem my ear.
Sorry, sir.
Bad guys.
Yes.
Now come meet bada guy.
Hey.
Then now you the bad guys come use collect money from Dragon.
I can explain. Sir.
Sir, calm down. So, coming.
Sir, calm down.
I'm coming. Be coming. Collect Dragon money.
Be calming down, sir. Be calming
Calm.
down.
Then how many people talk like this? Collect Dragon money. Let her no come. I go talk about like this, please. Collect Dragon money. Sir, calm down. My girlfriend come embarrass me. My girlfriend will love Falz. She won't see Falz. This boy is a mistake.
Sir, calm down. Sir,
I don't even feel remember how many people I don't kill. Hey, I don't lose touch.
Sir, calm down.
Calm down.
Sir, please. Be calming down, please.
You know you don't cost me my girlfriend.
Please, be calming down, please.
Come where? Just pick a calm down.
Just be
Calm
calming
down.
down.
Sir, be calm down. Calm down. Sergeant, when I tell you to calm down.
I'm just a rapper. I'm just a rapper.
Shut up, Daddy. You have it on.
I'm just a rapper.
You know why I talk to me? You sit down, me you know put clothes. Now because I respect and love women. But I know me say you know be thief too. Do you hear me? I don't pay money now. So I no go just pay money like that. I deserve entertainment. So now go entertain me because for now, now you be Falz.
Sir, I'm just steady the Baba.
Now you be Falz. And now go entertain me now. Who's your daddy?
Bob daddies.
Who's your daddy?
Bob daddy.
Oh, you know better follow for now. Now bad people now be. If the boy sing the song as now the singer so he go sell. Now not say for this part now, the thing go up.
Yes,
Who's your daddy?
Bob daddy.
Who's your daddy?
Bob daddy.
Ah, now no be good people. Now no be good people. I watch him. I watch the boy video like this. Women they where they dance. All those kind of things they have color to music when they make people watch them. Now what are they do like say woman don't dance for you? So you they wait for me to tell you to dance. You don't be woman. Who's your daddy?
Bob daddy.
Who's your daddy?
Bob daddy.
Who's your daddy?
Bob daddy. Bob daddy. Bob daddy. Bob daddy.
Royce got this.